Hello students, how are you doing? I hope you all doing great. Now let's discuss about this topic. When you are finding out the sum of squares of n natural numbers. That means you are finding 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square so on till n square. Now you are finding the sum of squares of n natural numbers. How to find it out? We have that x plus 1 cube minus x cube is approximately equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we have this fact as our result that x plus 1 cube minus x cube is approximately equal to or is equivalent to 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is there. Now when we put x is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on till n, we have 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Similarly, when we put x is equal to 2, we get as 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Similarly, when we put x is equal to 3, we get as 4 cube minus 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 2 plus, 3 into 3. So on, when we put it as plus 1 cube minus n cube is equal to 3 into n square plus 3 into n plus 1. We have this as n plus 1 cube minus n cube is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Now let's add them vertically. When we are going to add them vertically, we will find 2 cube and 2 cube will cancel, 3 cube and 3 cube will cancel. Similarly, alternative numbers will be cancelling out and we will be getting a right hand side. Look at over here this way. When we add them, we get it as n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square so on till n square plus 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till n plus n. I'm not counting here n times because I'm adding it up and we are getting it over here as n. Now this comes out to be n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 summation. This is the sign of summation. When we are adding so many numbers, we put the sign of sigma and this is a summation from n numbers n square when we are adding n natural numbers plus 3 into summation n plus n. So when you are adding them up, you are getting this as a reality. Now putting these values, we get as n plus 1 cube, that is n cube plus 3n square plus 3n is equal to 3 into sigma n square. 1 cube gets cancelled out and we get the other terms over here. 3 into sigma n square plus 3 into sigma n plus n. Now equating them out, what we are going to get. Let's find it out here. I'm just erasing it so that it's easy for you to understand. Now when we add them up, what we go to get is, just look at this, we get 3 sigma n square. Taking to the other side, we get as n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus 3 sigma n plus, minus n, because we are taking it to the other side. Now this comes out to be n cube plus 3n square plus 2n minus 3 sigma n. We know the sum of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2, isn't it? When you get this, just take an LCM. We get it as 2n cube plus 6n square plus 4n minus 3n square minus 3n divided by 2. 6n square minus 3n square is it? 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by 2. Taking n as common, we get as n by 2 as common, n square plus 3n plus 1. 2n square plus 3n plus 1. So this is over here. Solving it out further, we get it as now look at this thing. When you equate it out, we get as 3 summation of n square is equal to, now this, if you find it out, this is a quadratic equation, and when you are solving this quadratic equation, we get it as n by 2 into 2n square plus, splitting this up so that we get factors over here, we write 2n plus n plus 1. So this comes out to be n by 2 summation, taking 2n common. So we get n plus 1 common here. So we get it as n plus 1. So this out to be n by 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So this is your equation. So you get summation of n square is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3. 3 comes out to be here. So this can be written as 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay. So your formula to find out the sum of squares of n natural numbers comes out to be n into n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 by 6. So stay tuned, and next we are going to come forward for another video like this. So stay healthy, stay tuned, and be regular with my videos so that you get to know more and more about your sequence and series and the other concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Stay happy, stay tuned.